Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Talgan and today I'm going to be sketching a Crown Imperial. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, a sketchbook or piece of paper, and a permanent black fineliner pen. The Crown Imperial is part of the lily family. It should be noted that it is poisonous to animals and humans, so you definitely do not want to be getting this in your system at all. I've started this sketch by drawing the crown or the top leaves of this flower. They are a bunch of long pointed leaves. Now I've only done 4 in this sketch, but usually there's more than that. I just sort of wanted to get the idea across of what these look like, but usually there's about at least a dozen of these at the top of the flower. After I've drawn the general shape of the leaf, I've drawn a line down the center of it also. So after I've got that sketched, we're going to start with the flowers. Now I'm going to be making 2 of the flowers. There's usually about 4 or 5 in a cluster. As usual with my tutorials, you can pause or slow down the speed of the video to accommodate your drawing. That way you can take your time drawing this and work at your own pace. For my first flower, I'm going to have 5 petal components to it, and then there's going to be the inner part of the flower as well. The flower is bell-shaped and can come in a variety of colors. I think the most popular one is going to be the red-orange variety, but they also come in yellow, and I've seen one in a purpley kind of color also. I've drawn a line down the middle of the petal, connecting the base of the petal to the tip. I'm just drawing a few of the inner parts of the flower that hang down inside of the plant. Then I'm drawing my second flower in a similar fashion to the first. This one's going to have a little bit of a shadow on it where the first one overlaps it. I'm making a slight adjustment here with the composition of that second flower. I wanted it to hang more behind the first. And now that I've finished the sketching part of this flower, I'm going to start inking it with the fineliner pen. At the top part of this flower, on each petal, there's going to be a black area, so I'm just making some short straight lines to define that, and then a few sort of scratchy lines, thin lines going down the middle parts of the petals to show the texture. I've shaded in the ends of the petal tips with black to add more contrast. And I've shaded in the two back petals on that first flower with black to make them recede into the background. I'm adding some more black to the top of the petals to provide contrast. For the leaves at the top, I'm going to add straight, thin lines along the inner parts of it, and then I'm going to add some black lines at the base of the leaves to provide a shadow. And that brings us to the end of the inking process for this drawing. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, or subscribe. That helps to support my channel. I do appreciate it, and I enjoy the interaction with my viewers. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, be sure to check out my next video. I'd like to thank you for watching. Take care, and bye for now.